This is an overview of chapters 2 and 3 that you're covering this week. In chapter 2, you're introduced to some of the main theories that have tried to explain why we see global stratification. So you'll be introduced to theories such as the Davis-Moore hypothesis or Davis-Moore theory, Weberian theory, Karl Marx's theory, as well as power elite theory, conflict theory. Each of these theories have a slightly different take. Some are very similar, some are quite different from each other. And so it's interesting to understand how each of them explain global stratification. In chapter 3, you will focus on the development of world systems and how these systems change over time. What we see today in terms of the world systems are not the same as what we might have seen at the turn of the 20th century or in the middle of the 19th century. If we think about the middle of the 19th century, countries such as Great Britain, Germany, Spain, each of these countries had colonized quite a few other places. And today, when we look at those countries, most of them are just simply independent nation states. They no longer control those areas that they once colonized. And so in this chapter, you'll understand how and why that occurred. There's also an interesting comparison in this chapter between India, China, and Latin America, and how the systems within those areas have changed over time and what has led to the development of what they are today. So, two fascinating chapters. I hope that you enjoy learning about how global stratification may have been created, and think about which theory or theories you think make the best argument for how and why global stratification occurs.